Hey everybody, I'm Fred of Creative in Time. Do you know what referral marketing is? Right, I'm going to give you a quick description of referral marketing, especially for sort of techie, engineering and manufacturing type of businesses who I particularly help. So what is referral marketing? I've heard about it. It's basically word of mouth. It's a way of promoting your products and services through word of mouth. Referrals often happen spontaneously, okay? You know, people say, oh, I use this, it's amazing, why don't you use it? Oh, I'll give it a go. But people trust people, right? People trust people. But you can make referrals happen by putting referral processes and strategies in place. I want to give you an example of this. Tesla, who don't do marketing, but yet actually have a huge marketing campaign going on all the time through referral marketing and through PR, right? The way they do it, where anybody that gets a new customer, if you're a Tesla customer, you bought a Tesla, if you manage to persuade somebody else to get one, you'll get like 1,000 free miles or something like that. There'll be something significant and you're entered into a competition to win a Roadster every month. There is a bonus to you for referring somebody else. So you can put referral marketing practices into your business right now. Here's a question for you. When was the last time you phoned your customers and said, do you like our service? And if they say, yeah, I do, say, do you know anyone else that would like our service? There must be companies like you that would also benefit. Oh, actually, there's Bob or Amy down the road. They would actually probably use your service. That's generating a referral. And all of a sudden, you're bringing more customers in, and they're warm customers. They're not cold. They're nice and warm because they trust who they've just spoken to. So contact your best customers. Offer your existing customers incentives to help push you out there and get collaborations going with other partners so that other companies can refer you in and you can refer other companies in. Right, I hope you've enjoyed that. I'll speak soon.